For the last lesson on animation, we'll publish the animation. To begin, create a new design from the FSAE steering wheel animation final file. When it is loaded, switch to the animation workspace and make sure that Storyboard 3 is active in the timeline. Now play the animation to see that Storyboard 3 rotates to a home view, the components start to explode out from the assembly and disappear. Then the view transitions to a clear image of the remaining component, the plate. The animation is good and clear, and now we need to share it with everyone who needs it. We will begin the process by publishing the animation. Select the tool at the end of the toolbar. We could publish all storyboards, but we only want to publish the current one. The resolution will be 1920 by 1080 and have the 16:9 ratio, though we could change it to another value depending on where it would be used. When we click OK, we can choose where it will be saved. We can save it to our local system, to the cloud-based project, or both. Once we click Save to create the video, we won't be able to use Fusion 360 until it is completed or canceled. We will be able to see the progress in a dialog. When the publishing is complete, we'll go to the project folder and the folder it was saved to using the data panel to refresh the view. The animation is complete, but the upload progress bar at the bottom shows it is still being uploaded. We'll be alerted to refresh when the new data is uploaded. Then we'll navigate to the new file, click on it, and view it on the web. Because the animation file is in Fusion Team, it can be viewed online like any other file by project members. There is also a download icon in the upper right if we want a local copy, and we can also share the file to people outside of the project using the same process and security options that exist for the design data. Returning to Fusion 360 and looking at the application bar, Fusion 360 is still showing we haven't made any changes to the file, so there's no need to save now that we are finished.